tarisiro yenyu kuti basa lenyu liite nyore mu community takanangana nekuita enforcement ye lockdown kune vagari neve business.
Yes, our appeal is ZRP in Mashonaland Central. We are appealing to the general public to take this issue of COVID-19 seriously. People must understand that we are not living in a normal situation, and all that is happening when we enforce the law is also abnormal. So we expect people to stay indoors, because we are expecting that at this juncture, as experts are saying, this is where we could be affected most. So we expect people to continue to adhere to the requirements of COVID-19 as they were doing. However, those who feel they don't want to comply, the arm of the law will be extended to them. We will not hesitate to arrest people and have them prosecuted. Second offenders, for sure, if you are arrested, you are assured of having an incarceration. So we expect members of the public to cooperate. We are also expecting well-to-do people, that is the local leaders and the other politicians who are influential in the communities, to urge members of the public to adhere to the requirements of COVID-19. Together we can fight this pandemic. We are assured that in the near future, this will be over. This is just a phase.
Yes, thank you. My last question, what challenges have you faced so far?
We have faced the challenges with those people who do not want to comply, especially those dealing in liquor. They are allowing people to come in the backyards and sell them beer, and now we are appealing to the members of the public to report such unlawful activities so that the police can act on them. It is to the best interest of the locals to ensure that they report these people who are breaking the law, because they also will be affected one day if they don't expose these people.
What are the challenges being caused by companies who are writing their own letters, and also people coming to request letters?
We are also receiving a lot of people who are traveling on our roads. We have got letters from company owners. We are urging these people to go and get letters from the local police stations that will allow them to pass through in the province. Some people are just writing letters in order to facilitate the movement of their loved ones. This is not only bad for those people who are traveling, but it's also bad for those people where these people are visiting. It is wise for us to reduce these visits. So I urge company owners not to be persuaded to write letters for their friends, because as ZRP in March Central, we will not stop. We will ensure those letters are not valid in this province. We will ask those people to return back where they came from.
Thank you. Any other words of wisdom to Mashonaland Central?
Yes, from Mashonaland Central, please don't visit Mashonaland Central without valid reasons. You may have a letter from your company, but when we are vetting you along the way in our roadblocks, we might as well ask you to go back, because your reasons could be very invalid. We want people who are serious to be traveling, and allow those who are supposed to be staying home to remain indoors and not affected by those unnecessarily moving around.